Hey food lovers! Welcome back to Amazing Food MN, the place where we explore the world one delicious bite at a time. Today, we're heading straight to the heart of flavor. Italy, the land of pasta, pizza, cheese, and that unforgettable Mamma Mia taste. If you've ever wondered what real Italian food looks like, not the fast food version, but the authentic, traditional dishes locals actually eat, then stick around. This is going to be one tasty ride. Italy is famous around the world for its rich food culture. Every region has its own recipes, flavors, and traditions that go back hundreds of years. Italian food isn't just about eating. It's about family, comfort, and sharing love through food. When you travel across Italy, you will notice that each city has something special to offer your taste buds. In this video, we'll explore some of the most popular and traditional dishes that make Italy a dream destination for food lovers. Let's kick things off with one of the most famous dishes in the world, pizza. But not just any pizza. We're talking about Neapolitan pizza, the original OG from Naples. This pizza is simple but unforgettable. The dough is soft, the edges are airy, and the toppings are basic, usually just tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, and olive oil. In Italy, people believe that good ingredients speak for themselves, so they keep things simple. When you bite into a Neapolitan pizza, you taste the freshness of the tomatoes and the creaminess of real mozzarella. It's not heavy or greasy like some pizzas you find in fast food restaurants. It's light, fresh, and totally delicious. Next up is pasta, which is basically the soul of Italian cooking. Italy has more than 300 types of pasta, and each shape has a purpose. In Rome, one of the most famous pasta dishes is cacio e pepe, which means cheese and pepper. It's a super simple dish made with spaghetti, black pepper, and pecorino romano cheese. But don't let the simplicity fool you. The flavor is rich and comforting. Italians love dishes like this because they show how amazing simple ingredients can be when used correctly. Another pasta dish you can't miss is lasagna, especially the version from Emilia-Romagna. This region is known as the heart of Italian food. Lasagna here is layered with fresh pasta sheets, meat sauce, bechamel, and parmesan. It's baked until golden and bubbly. The taste is warm, rich, and satisfying. It's the kind of dish families share on Sundays or during celebrations. Now let's talk about something sweet, tiramisu, one of Italy's most loved desserts. Tiramisu comes from the Veneto region and is made with layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, mascarpone cheese, and a dusting of cocoa powder. The name tiramisu means pick-me-up, and once you taste it, you'll understand why. It has a creamy texture and a deep coffee flavor that makes it the perfect ending to any Italian meal. Moving on, Italy is known for its many meat dishes too. One of the most iconic is ossobuco, a slow-cooked veal shank from Milan. It's usually served with risotto and topped with a mix of parsley, garlic, and lemon zest. The meat becomes incredibly tender after hours of slow cooking. When you take a bite, it literally melts in your mouth. This dish shows how Italians respect their ingredients and cook with patience and passion. Speaking of risotto, let's shine a light on risotto alla Milanese. This creamy rice dish is flavored with saffron, which gives it a rich golden color. Risotto is stirred slowly, little by little, until it becomes creamy. It's pure comfort food and a great example of how Italian cooking focuses on technique as much as ingredients. Now, let's head down south to Sicily, where you'll find arancini, a popular street food. These are rice balls stuffed with meat, cheese, or peas, then coated with breadcrumbs and fried until crispy. They're crunchy on the outside and soft and flavorful on the inside. Sicilians enjoy them as snacks, but honestly, they're so filling they can be a whole meal. Another southern favorite is cannoli, also from Sicily. Cannoli are crispy pastry tubes filled with sweet ricotta cream. Sometimes they're decorated with chocolate chips, pistachios, or candied fruit. They're a little crunchy, a little creamy, and totally addictive. Let's not forget gnocchi, soft potato dumplings served with sauces like pesto, tomato, or butter and sage. Gnocchi are fluffy and light, like little clouds of comfort. They're especially popular in northern Italy, where potatoes grow easily. One more classic Italian dish that everyone knows is spaghetti carbonara. This Roman dish is made with eggs, pecorino cheese, black pepper, and guanciale, which is cured pork cheek. Many people outside Italy make it with cream, but real Italians never use cream in carbonara. The creamy texture comes only from eggs and cheese. When made right, it's rich, salty, and incredibly satisfying. Italy also has some amazing seafood dishes, especially in coastal areas. One popular dish is frutti di mare, which means fruits of the sea. It's usually a pasta dish loaded with shrimp, clams, mussels, and squid. The sauce is often light with garlic, tomatoes, and white wine. It tastes fresh and full of natural seafood flavor. Then there's polenta, a traditional northern dish made from cornmeal. It's warm, creamy, and often served with meats, mushrooms, or cheese. Polenta used to be considered poor man's food, but today it's loved everywhere for its comfort and flavor. Another special dish is Parmigiana di melanzane, or eggplant parmesan. This dish includes layers of fried eggplant, tomato sauce, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. It's baked until everything melts together beautifully. It's a vegetarian dish, but trust me, even meat lovers adore it. Finally, we can't talk about Italian dishes without mentioning gelato, the iconic Italian ice cream. Gelato is smoother, denser, and more flavorful than regular ice cream. It comes in endless flavors like pistachio, hazelnut, strawberry, lemon, and chocolate. Italians enjoy gelato all year, not just in summer. It's a treat you simply can't skip when visiting Italy. Italian food is more than recipes. It's culture, tradition, and a way of life. Every dish tells a story about the region it comes from, the people who make it, and the families who pass down the recipes. Whether it's pasta, desserts, pizza, or meat dishes, Italian cuisine is all about balance, freshness, and love. Thanks for hanging out with me today, food lovers. If you enjoyed this tasty tour of Italy, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Amazing Food MN, and hit the bell so you never miss our food adventures. Drop a comment and tell me which Italian dish you want to try, or which one is already your favorite. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep exploring delicious food around the world. See you in the next one. Pizza Italy waving hand.